Hey friends, who's hungry? Easy, no-bake bourbon balls made with pecans, vanilla wafers, and bourbon are perfect for holiday gifting and entertaining. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of finely chopped pecans and 5 tablespoons of bourbon. Let the pecans soak in the bourbon for at least 1 hour or cover and refrigerate overnight for a deeper flavor. Next, combine 1 11-ounce box of finely crushed vanilla wafer cookies, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder in a large mixing bowl. Stir in the bourbon-soaked pecans and 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Mix until the dough comes together. It should feel slightly sticky but hold its shape. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate or freeze for at least 30 minutes until firm. Place 10 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a small saucepan. Heat over low heat until the chocolate is melted. Using a fork, lower each chilled bourbon ball into the melted chocolate. Tap off any excess chocolate, then place the coated balls back onto the parchment-lined sheet. Before the chocolate sets, sprinkle each ball with chopped pecans, a pinch of sea salt, or drizzle with melted white chocolate. Chill the bourbon balls for 20 to 30 minutes or until the chocolate hardens completely. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.